how to reset your Telegram account. So first you will have to enter your phone number. After you have entered the phone number, you can just tap on next. After you have entered your phone number, Telegram will ask you for your code. If you cannot access the code, it will send an OTP on your mobile number. So the number that you just entered will be the number that the code will be sent to. And after that, if that still doesn't work, you might have logged into another devices like your laptop. You can check the code there because Telegram will send these kind of codes there. So you can check there as well. If that still doesn't work, your email might be linked with your Telegram because you have enabled two-factor authentication. You can check your emails as well. And that's how you can reset your Telegram account. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.